Morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about BCD adder. BCD adder is used in the computers and calculators that perform arithmetic operations directly in the decimal number system. The BCD adder accepts the binary coded form of decimal numbers. The decimal adder requires a minimum of 9 inputs and 5 outputs. Here I am taking two examples and comparing. Okay, here I am adding two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9, and corresponding binary equivalent values of these numbers is 6 binary value is 0110 and 3 binary value is 0011. So finally we get the resultant 9. And next example is 5 plus 7 is 12, and corresponding binary equivalent values of 5 is 0101 and 7 is 0111. We get the resultant value 12. Okay, here we have the decimal numbers are 0 to 9. Okay, after 9 exceeds, the value will not be valid. Okay, here first example is valid BCD code, and second example is not a valid is not a valid is not a valid BCD code. Okay, next here, when we are adding two BCD numbers, if we have to add the corresponding digits of each BCD numbers, after adding, if the result is greater 9 and you got any carry, then the result is said to be invalid BCD. So if we got the result below 9 and carry is not generated, then your BCD addition result is accurate or valid BCD result. Okay, when BCD addition here, BCD 8 is equivalent to binary value 1000, and BCD 4 is equivalent to binary number value is 0100. Okay, finally we getting the resultant value is 12. Okay, by using the code of 8421. Okay, here simply we are adding 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, here exceeds 9, 12 exceeds 9 because we have decimal numbers 0 to 9. So here 12 is not valid BCD number. If you want to correct this, we have to add 6 for this digit. Okay, next we have add to 6 decimal number to equivalent binary value. Okay, here we are adding 12 and 6. So observe it here. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0, and carry 1. Okay, and carry 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is again 0 and carry 1. Okay, here I am putting carry 1 here. Okay, like so I am writing at left side of the corner. Okay, so here we observe clearly, here I am grouping 4 bits. Okay, so I am putting triple zeros of 1 before. Okay, so finally 0001 is nothing but 1, and 0010 is 2. Okay, we get the resultant value is 12. So finally the difference between BCD and binary, here BCD addition is 10010. Here in the brackets we can observe leftmost bits triple zeros, or we can neglect it, and binary value is 1100. So finally we get the BCD and binary values like this. Okay, next BCD addition. Like other number system, in BCD arithmetical operation may be required. BCD is a numerical code which has several rules for addition. Then the rules are given below in these steps with an example to make an idea of BCD addition. Okay, first step is the given number are to be added using the rule of binary. Example, in first case, here I am adding two binary values. 1010 means 8 plus 4, sorry, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, 1010 by equivalent binary equivalent value is 1010. Okay, and 0101 is the 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so here I am adding 10 plus 5, we get the resultant value is 15. On case 2, 0001 and 0101. 0001 means 1 and 0101 is nothing but 5. So 1 plus 5, we get the resultant value is 6. Okay, 6 binary equivalent value is 0110 and 15 binary equivalent value is all ones. And next, in second step, we have to judge the result of addition. Here two are shown to describe the rule of BCD addition. In case of 1, the result of addition of two binary number is greater 9, which is not valid for BCD number. But the result of addition in case 2 is less than 9, which is valid BCD number. If the 4-bit result of addition is greater than 9 and if a carry bit present in the result, then it is invalid. And if we have add 6 whose binary equivalent is 0110, okay, to the result of addition, then the resultant that we would get will be a valid binary code number. In case of 1, the result was 15, binary equivalent is all ones, which is greater than 9, so we have to add 6 or binary equivalent of 0110 to it. Okay, here we have to add those two numbers, binary equivalent numbers, 15 plus 6. Okay, finally we get the 6 15 plus 6 and we got 15. We can write it like this way in BCD form, 1 and 5. Okay, as we can see, the result is valid in BCD, but in case of 2, the result was already valid BCD, so there is no need to add 6. This is how BCD addition could be. Now a question may arise that why 6 being added to the addition result in case of BCD addition instead of any other numbers. It is done to skip the 6 invalid state binary coded decimal, that is from 10 to 15, and again return to the BCD codes. Now the idea of BCD addition can be cleared from two more examples. First example, let 0101 is added with 0110. Here 0101 means 5. 5 I am adding with 6. Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11. So here we got after addition 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry gets 1. Okay, here this value becomes invalid BCD number after. So what we can do, we are adding 6 to that resultant value. Okay, so we get the valid BCD number like this. Okay, 11, 1 and 1 is nothing but 11. So check it in another form also. Here 5 binary equivalent is 0101 and 6 binary equivalent is 0110, and here we are adding 6 plus 5, we get the resultant value BCD value is 11. And next example we can take 1 0 0001 means 1 and 001 means 0011 means 3. So 1 3 is added to 0010 means 3, sorry 2, and 0110 is 6. Okay, here 1 and 3 is added to 2 and 6. Okay, here first we can add, adding 2 4 bits. Okay, 4 bits we are adding here. Finally we get the valid BCD number. Okay, see here, 11 binary equivalent value is 0001 and 0001 in BCD form, and 26 binary equivalent value is 0010 and 0110 in BCD form, and also same as 37 binary equivalent value is 011 and 0111 in BCD form. And so okay, and after we are adding these numbers we get the 7. Finally we get the answer is 7, 3 and 7. So no need to add 6 because it is less than 9. So this process of BCD addition, this is the process of BCD addition. And next, coming to BCD subtraction. These are several methods of BCD subtraction. BCD subtraction can be done by 1's complement, 9's complement and 10's complement. Among all these methods, 9's complement method or 10's complement method is the easiest. We will clear our idea on both the methods of BCD subtraction. First method of BCD subtraction is, in first method we will do BCD subtraction by 1's complement method. There are several steps for this method shown in below. Okay, there are first method. At first 1's complement of the subtrahend is done, then the complemented subtrahend is added to the other number from which the subtraction is to be done. This is called adder 1. Now in BCD subtraction there is a term EAC, means end around carry. Okay, if there is a carry, that is if EAC is equal to 1, then the result of the subtraction is positive, and EAC is 0, then the resultant is negative, as shown in table in previous slides, in further slides. Okay, this is the rules of EAC. Here carry of individual groups 1 and 0. Okay, for 1 EAC is equal to 1 and EAC is equal to 0. Coming to EAC is equal to 1, we can transfer real result of adder 1 and add 4 zeros in adder 2, and EAC is 0, transfer 1's complement result of adder 1 and add 1010 adder 2. And next carry 0, if carry 0, the EAC 1, transfer real result of adder 1 and add 1010 and adder 2, and EAC is 0, transfer 1's complement result of adder 1 and add 4 zeros to adder 2. Okay, this is the rule we have to conclude. In the final result, if any carry bit occurs, it will be ignored. Examples given below. Okay, examples are given below. Here first example is, in this we are taking a binary value, but two binary equivalent values are subtracted. Okay, first we have take the first complement of the subtrahend. Okay, first we have first binary equivalent value is nothing but minuend, and second value is nothing but subtrahend. So we have to take first subtrahend. Okay, first we want to do first we have to do 1's complement to the subtrahend is done, which is like this way. Okay, ones complement means um, in place of 1 we can write 0, in place of 0 we can write 1. Okay, that is the ones complement. 1 replacing 0, 0 replacing 1. So that is the ones complement method. And adding to the minuend. Okay, so this is the step 1 called adder 1. Now after addition, if any carry occurs, then it will be added to the next group of numbers towards most significant bit. Then EAC will be examined. Okay, here EAC is 1. Rule number 1. Here EAC is 1. So the result of addition is positive and true result of adder 1. Result of adder 1. Okay, result of adder 1 will be transferred to adder 2. Okay, next, now notice from LSB, that is least significant bit, there are three groups of 4-bit numbers, that is 1010 is added to 1011, which is the first group of numbers because it does not have any carry. The result of addition in the final answer, if we carry 1, will be ignored as it is from the rule. Now move the next group of numbers, 4 zeros is added to 0010. Same we can follow the this table. Okay, added to 2. 0 is added to 2 and gives the resultant answer is 2. It is the final result again. Now again move to the next group. Here zeros is also added to 3. Okay, 3 binary equivalent values 0011 to give the final result is 0011, 3 only. You may have noticed that in these two groups zeros is added because result of first adder do not contain any carry. So thus the results of the adder 2 is the final result of BCD subtraction. Okay, this is the example of the um, subtraction by using the ones complement. Okay, first we have first value is minuend and second one is the subtrahend. Okay, here 010 means 5 and 4. Okay, and 1, 5 4 1 seed. Here 541 is the minuend. Okay, first value is minuend and second value is subtrahend. First as it is we can write 541. After that we can write subtrahend value like this way. First we have to uh, once we have to do ones complement to the subtrahend values, and after we can add to the minuend values. Okay, 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0 and carry 1. Okay, carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1, so no carry. Here next coming to 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry comes out 1. Okay, 1 carry 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is again 0 and carry comes out here 1. Okay, comes out here 1 and next 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1 and 1 plus carry 1 here, carry 1 here and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and next here 1 plus 1 is 0 and again we can carry 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 again 1 plus 1 is 0 and we'll get the carry 1. So that carry 1 is going to here. Okay, next we can do after additional result you can add carry 1 to this result. Okay, here 0 plus 1 is going to 1 and other values are same. Okay, only we can add 0 plus carry 1 is nothing but 1, and 1 is 1 and 0 is 0 and 1 is 1, and like that way next 0 and 0. So 1 is going to 1 and 0 is going to 0 and 0 is going to 0. Here we can change it. Here we have the carry 1, we have to add it. 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1 and other numbers are same. Okay, after we can see here EAC. EAC is 1. So EAC is 1 means adder 1 and add 4 zeros in adder 2. Okay, EAC 1 means that's here. So EAC 1 means all zeros and all zeros and 1010. Okay, so by using that rule you can here adding. See here 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is 0, sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is going to 0 and we have carry 1 and 1 carry 1 plus 0 is 1 and again 1 plus 0 is 1 and next 1 plus 1 is going to 0 and carry will get 1 here. So ignore that carry, you can ignore this carry. Okay, ignore this carry 1. Okay, next 0 plus 0 is going to 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is going to 0 and 0 is going to 0 and next one 1 plus 0 is going to 1 and 1 plus 0 is going to 1, 0 0 goes to 0. Okay, this is the way we are calculating by using the ones complement subtrahend. And next therefore therefore we are taking the uh, two binary two binary equivalent numbers. First one is going to minuend and next one is going to subtrahend. We have to subtract those equivalent numbers. Finally we get the resultant binary equivalent value like this. Now you can check yourself. Here I am taking already said 541 decimal number and 541 is the decimal number and the corresponding binary equivalent values are in BCD form. Okay, not in binary, only no, in BCD form we can easily write it way. Okay, here 3 bits we are separating, each bit separating. So here 5 binary equivalent value is 0 1 0 1. Here we are grouping 4 bits. Okay, and 4 binary equivalent is 0 double 0 1 double 0 and 1 binary equivalent is triple 0 1 and 2 binary equivalent is 0010 and 6 binary equivalent is 0001 and 1 binary equivalent value is 0001 and 6 binary equivalent value is 0110. And finally we can subtract those two numbers, decimal numbers. Finally we get the resultant value is 325. Here 541 minus 216, so we get the answer is 325 decimal number and the corresponding binary equivalent values are these. 3 binary value is 0011 and 2 binary value is 0010 and 5 binary value is 0101. So we know that 541 minus 216 is equal to 325. Okay, thus we can say that our resultant of BCD subtraction is correct. Okay, and next example 2. In this example 2, here I am taking an example 2 of 0101 and 0001 means 101 means 5 and 1. Okay, 51. And so here we subtracting from 0100 and 1001. Okay, it means 4 and 9. 49, 51 and 49 we can subtract it as per rule. First one's complement of the subtrahend is done, then the addition is done and the resultant is checked. Here EAC is 0. If you take AC is 0, so the overall resultant will be negative. Now see the result of adder 1 from LSB, that is one's complement value of 0111 is transferred to the adder 2 and it is added with 1010 since no carry is added with it. Okay, as per the rule, no carry is added and the answer is final result. Okay, next move to the next result of adder 1, that is 1110. Added to it, which is the carry of the previous result. Then it value is once complemented, that is 4 zeros, and 4 zeros result of adder 2 is the final result. Okay, this is the final result of BCD subtraction. Here we are taking the two binary values. Okay, and we have to subtract the two equivalent binary values. Finally we get the answer 0 3. Okay, minus 0 3. Here 0 1 00 means 4 and 100 means 5 9. Okay, 4 9 ante 49 minus 0101 and 0001 means 5 1. Okay, here lowest number is subtracted with highest number. Okay, 49 minus 51 we get the negative resultant value, that is um, 0 3. Now you can again check yourself decimal equivalent. The given number of subtraction is 49 and 51, therefore 49 minus 51 is equal to minus 2. Here some mistake is done. Okay, so our result is correct. Next, here I am taking another example of EAC is equal to 0. In previous in previous slide we are taking EAC is equal to 1, but in this EAC is equal to 0. Same like that way procedure, we can add two binary equivalent values. First one is minuend, second one is subtrahend. Here 4 and 9. And next one subtrahend 51. 51 we can by take 51 is the subtrahend. So here we can apply the one's complement to the subtrahend value. After we adding those digits, finally we get the additional result. And carry we have to and after that by using EAC 0 condition, we have to add those resultant values. Okay, finally we ignore the carry one. Okay, next, second method for BCD subtraction. In second method we will do BCD subtraction in 9's complement method. Here the method is very simple. At first the decimal equivalent of the given binary coded decimal codes are found out. Okay, then the 9's complement of the subtrahend is done, and then that result is added to the number from which the subtraction is to be done. If there is any carry bit, then the carry bit may be added to the result of the subtraction. Okay, let us example below. Here let here I am taking two binary equivalent values to subtracting with the given subtraction. Okay, next, as we can see, 51 and 21 are the decimal value of the BCD codes. Then the ninth complement of the subtrahend done is, that is 99 minus 21. Okay, finally we get the answer is 78. This is complemented value is added with uh, 51, that is 51 plus 78 is nothing but 129. In this result, the MSB, that is 1, is the carry. This carry will be added to 29, therefore 29 plus 1 is 30, which is the final answer of BCD subtraction. Okay, the decimal result will be changed in BCD course to get the result in BCD. Therefore, from the example we can conclude that final result of BCD subtraction, that is here 0101 and 0001 means 51 minus and nothing but 51 minus 0010 and 0001 means 2 and 1. Okay, 51 51 minus 2 1. Okay, we get the answer is 001 0011 means 3 and 4 zeros means it means that 0. Okay, here what we can do it here in decimal form, 51 minus 21, 51 minus 21 is going to 30. Okay, next here I am taking a simple example of those numbers. 51 minus 21. Okay, 51 minus 21 decimal equivalent. These are the binary equivalent, and these numbers are the decimal equivalent. Here I am adding, here I am first 51 is nothing but minuend and 21 is nothing but subtrahend. In case of that one's complement, we are going to apply for 21, that is subtrahend value. Okay, here we are giving 9's complement, so that's why here I can represent 99 to 21, 99 minus 21, so we got the answer is 78, and add 78 with 51, we get to resultant 129. Here we can ignore the 1. Okay, 29, here we can replace 1 here. Okay, replace 1 here, so 9 plus 1 is 0, 10, so 9 plus 1 is 10, so carry is 1, so that 1 plus 2 is 3, so finally we get the answer is 30 decimal number or decimal equivalent to the binary equivalent value is, this is 3 binary equivalent value is 0011 and 0 binary equivalent value is 4 zeros. So therefore here 50101 and 0001 is nothing but 51 minus 0010 is 2 and 0001 is 1. Okay, 51 minus 21 is going to 30. Okay, next, binary coded decimal subtraction is using tens complement is same as in case of nines complement. Here the only difference is that instead of nines complement we have to do add tens complement of the subtrahend. Okay, finally BCD conversion. Here it is very simple in case of BCD conversion. At first the decimal equivalent of BCD codes are found out, and then that decimal number can be changed to any other number system as required. So to know the methods of conversion of number systems. You may read the topic binary number system. Okay, thank you.